So we have a 2-stroke, 6.5 Duraforce, good old lawnboy. So, carburetor. You ever have issues with them? It's the damper here. This is ran by wind. Okay, so as this spins, if you look down in there, you see those little impellers? They produce wind. So up underneath this shield, the wind is flowing. And as it flows back here, where this would sit, it moves this. And if you watch my finger here, so I can go, and it drops back. See, it's spring loaded. So as the wind blows, it opens. And if you watch, see what it's doing? As the wind blows, it's opening and closing your pan valve, basically. So, you ever seen a cork float? So, you're gonna, underneath, with this one, it was very dirty. Pull this cover off here. And there'll be a screen and a cork float. And yep, there it is. So there's your screen. And that is a cork float. Yes, made of cork. Like when you pop a wine bottle open. And see? Moves your jet up and down. Feel in, feel shut off. Feel in, feel shut off. So anyway, you guys take care. Little info. Hope it helped. You ever got problems with yours not starting? That's why it's this. Underneath, it gets all gummed up with all this stuff, and it doesn't allow the air to flow to move that just right. So, because all that builds up, and it will stop that from flowing just right, and she's done. So, anyway, guys, take care. I'm gonna fix this and get this one running, and yeah, have a good one. Thanks for watching my videos. Deuce. I've been working a ton, so gotta go.